holding up. Okay, so a hold up play is when Declare has a short trick. Okay, so let's look at our example on the screen here. Declare is south here, and north has the ace of spades, and west leads out the king of spades. So north, as Declare, their dummy, has a sure trick, right? Sure tricks are ones that you can take right away versus potential tricks or potential winners that you have to develop into tricks. So that ace of spades in this example is a sure trick. Okay, so the hold up play is when Declare doesn't take their sure trick right away. They hold up and they hold up and they hold up, and the goal of the hold up play is to void the short hand. Okay, so in this example, if the king of spades were led and Declare is looking over their hand and they're thinking to themselves, well, I'm going to have to give up the lead again. So I need to make sure that I don't give up the lead to the long suit hand. Okay, so if West leads the king of spades and Declare only has one winner, right? So they hold up and West says, well, that worked so well. Technically, they should continue with their lower of sequence. And it goes hold up, hold up, hold up. And West says, okay, well, I'll lead it again. And Declare finally wins their ace. Well, what has happened is Declare has voided East hand of any spades. So Declare has now made a safe hand. We're going to have danger hand and we're going to have safe hands. And Declare has made a safe hand by ducking. And that's what our rule of 7 is going to do. It's going to tell us how many times do we duck? Because if you duck too many times, sometimes you give the defenders a trick they're not entitled to. And if you don't duck enough times, sometimes East in this case has a card left, a spade in this example, to travel over to the long hand. That's going to be our first topic today, is the hold up play, creating a safe hand. And then also we're going to look at the danger hand. How do we avoid the danger hand?